Hey folks, welcome to the channel.
Hello.
So today, Claire made me do it.
Wow. Did she now?
She did.
Did she?
So I got these amazing moulds from Moulds and Shapes. They are the Gnome moulds.
I gathered that because it looks like
It
a
looks
gnome.
like a gnome. Now this
Yes.
is the tray mould. And it's just gorgeous. So I thought, what better to use with these than the Twilight Sparkle that we got from Just Resin.
Yeah, so
Discount
this
code
is
in the description.
Yes, indeed.
Shameless plug.
They sent us two boxes. There was the Aurora, which I used,
which we went through all. We went through all that last week in a video. I will link it in a card somewhere on the screen.
Yeah.
Now, for the first colour, I did some purple. Now, this one is, I mean, look at that blue.
They're stunning.
It's honestly, they are so shiny. I was just like, ooh, all the way through this make.
I know.
Non-stop. It was just continual. Now, this is Sapphire Storm, and it's like it reminds me of the blue that you used to have in the 80s. Do you remember? Yes, you do.
I used to have a pair of trainers that looked that sort of colour.
But it's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So I spent ages, and I mean ages, just putting them in and colouring in all the little bits as you do. Now
that mould isn't it's not very deep, is it?
No, it's not the trinket dish. They do a trinket dish gnome mould. It's not that one, it's a tray mould. And I wanted this one because I feel it's got a lot of uses.
Yeah.
A lot of potential, which is why I specifically went for this one. So with hindsight, because hindsight's always a great thing when you make something.
Yeah.
I'd have done these colours, and then I'd have actually done a black on the background. Because I do this green, and it does leave it a little bit translucent, but I'm okay with that because this one is for me. This one was let's see how the mould works. Let's see where the bubbles gather. That sort of, And
also to try out the colours as well.
And to try out the colours because I wanted to play with the sparkle.
Well, yeah.
And play with it I did. And I loved it. I mean, I love it. I foresee in my future a lot of sparkly things.
Do you know?
I liked them so much that as soon as I finished that tray, I was like, I'm going to make the others now.
I need to make more.
So fortuitously, I also have the Gnome keyrings.
How fortuitous.
I know. It's like, what can I say? Again, I got these because when Claire first had them on her channel, she was making them, and I said in the chat, you could have like little signs, like them holding little signs.
Yeah.
And that's my plan. I haven't done it on this one, but on others, they'll be holding like a little scroll that says Happy Christmas or Happy Easter or
Happy
birthday
look really cool.
Or whatever. But that's my plan. Or you could just put someone's name on it. That would also work.
That is a nice purple.
But this purple, this one is, now my favourite purple is Ultraviolet by Just Resin.
Yeah.
And I have to say, if you said to me, choose between that one or this one, I don't think I could.
What's the purple prints then? Is that just a glitter?
That's a glitter.
Right, okay.
And that's my favourite glitter.
Okay.
Of all time. And I've got a lot of glitters. Well, I haven't got, actually, no, I don't. Whenever you say that I've got too many glitters, people always put in the comments, Nikki doesn't have anywhere near enough glitters. Anywhere near enough glitters.
Yeah.
So just think on that.
I just don't believe them. I think they're doing it just to upset me.
I don't know. I don't think so.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
I think it is.
No. But it was genuinely a lot of fun making these. I mean, it's quite, if you do it this way, so you do different colours in the different bits with resin,
dry,
it is quite laborious because you have to let it dry in between. And I could have put the mould in the G3, but I didn't. No. I just let them sit on the side because I was in no particular rush for these. So I was fine with waiting. And to be honest, the G3 was busy doing other things, but yeah. I quite enjoyed it. I think the next time I do these, I will probably mica the actual mould and maybe only use the one colour sparkle on one particular area. So maybe the hat, or
I think maybe either the hat or the beard
is my thought. Because, if I don't think I can wait 4 or 5 days between each, little bit. I mean, I'm sure there was a much more expedient way for me to do it, but
you could use.
Cure. You could, but I wasn't. I genuinely wasn't in a rush to get these done. I was just enjoying, sort of mixing.
Looking at the sparkles.
I was now. Yeah, as I'm pouring it in, I was just watching it and the shimmer. I cannot. There is no photograph that we take.
No.
That does this justice. They are stunning.
Yeah, they are. And even the other one, I tried, but you just can't. Yeah, you can't appreciate how sparkly they are.
And I said to you, it's okay. I'll take it outside and take a photograph.
And then
it hasn't stopped raining since.
Yeah.
It is like today, it's 3:00. It is overcast. I mean, it is literally.
Well, we've had a storm, haven't we?
It's literally dark out there.
Yep.
Because it's just overcast, chucking it down with rain.
Yeah.
So, maybe in the spring I'll take a nice picture outside.
Yeah.
So February, which is when we usually get our spring, isn't it, nowadays?
Yeah.
And then it rains for another 12 weeks.
Or do it at summer.
Yeah.
Summer's on a Wednesday next year.
Summer's on a Wednesday?
Yep.
Oh, that's not good for me. No. But yeah, so I really did enjoy sort of playing with these, and this mould is divine. I want all the others that they do.
Shocker.
I know.
So if you had to have Just Resin pastes or Moulds and Shapes moulds,
which would I choose?
Yeah.
You can't. No, I can't.
Hold on a sec while Nikki reboots.
I think you've broken me. I don't know. I love them. Because I really do like Moulds and Shapes. They are such quality moulds, such nice designs that.
Yeah, but those pastes are stunning.
But let me finish my Can I finish a thought?
I don't know. Can you?
Well, possibly. But as I was saying, the moulds are phenomenal. Now I've got a gnome mould from Temu, and it's not even close to being as nice as this one. So, or have the versatility.
Mm.
So I would want Moulds and Shapes. But on the other hand, I have not as yet come across a paste in the UK that is as nice, as in the colours appeal to me.
Yeah.
As for such good value, because you get 50 mils or 50 grams.
50 grams.
For £7. And even allowing for delivery.
With our discounts as well, yeah.
Even allowing for the delivery costs from Australia,
yep.
It still works out cheaper than any other paste company
yep.
that I've come across.
Yeah.
So, yeah, and the colours are gorgeous. So I don't know.
So this is where you would have put a black on the back.
So you can see that they're quite translucent.
Yeah.
So if I'd have put a black on the back, or a solid colour, I should say, it doesn't have to be black.
Because you didn't put enough in, or is that how they?
No, I did make it quite translucent, but I didn't want to use too much because I like it. But yeah, but I think they're really nice. Now
you can actually see it sparkle there, but again, it is way sparklier than it's actually showing on there.
The bottom two on the right, I actually ran out of the green that I'd made up, and I had some electric pink electric purple left over from another make, and I thought, well, I'll just pop that on the back, and you can see it gives it a lot more. You can see it a lot clearer.
Yeah.
Now, on that one, sadly, his beard was purple, and on the other one, his hat was purple. So maybe not the smartest color to put there, but I'm fine with it because
but it's still. I mean, look at that. It's just
it's like diamond in a mold. It is beautiful.
Yeah.
So this is the demold of the tray, and I was a bit nervous taking this one out.
Why?
Come on, I don't know. Because I thought
it does look from there quite muted.
Yeah.
Because
I actually took this one out before I took the keyrings out.
Yes.
So I was a bit like, is this going to be a bit of a letdown? And I thought, oh no, it's not. I actually went, I'm surprised you didn't put that in.
No, because I don't listen to the audio normally.
Good. That's very good to hear. But yeah, I was quite chuffed with that. But you can see what I mean. So if I had a nice big decor with a scroll on it, with your name, you could put a name, you can put a message, all sorts. And then you could actually put that either into a frame or put a little wall backing on it, and you've got an actual wall hanging.
Yeah.
That was my thought.
Yeah.
Now, again, I am so rubbish at doing this. Putting the acrylic paint on and then doing the little wipe.
Yeah.
It's not my forte at all. So this one I did, ironically, after I did the keyrings. Because the keyrings I use a brush. And then I thought, I can't be doing with that. That's going to take me forever. So I then used my finger.
No, I think you did all right. I think that when you wipe it off, that looks really good. I think you did an awesome job there.
Like we're all the worst critics of our own stuff, aren't we?
Yes.
I could see the imperfections. So that's why I wasn't, Now I thought I'm going to have to top coat this, which is fine.
Oh, because of the paint.
Because of the paint.
Yeah, yeah.
And I wanted it to have that super shine. And if you top coat, you get that super shine.
Yeah.
So, and I thought, I've done a lot of top coating this week, and I'm not going to risk messing this up.
Yeah.
So I popped my latex on the sides and the back, and good job I did. That's all I'm going to say on that.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Because I did it on all of my leveling boards are in use. And my desk isn't quite straight.
Is it not?
No, it's a smidgen out.
Oh.
I know, it's a smidgen out, but it's fine. Now, this is it 24 hours later when it's dry. Now, there is a tiny little, if it catches the light, you can actually see it. There is a tiny little sort of divot there. And I'm fine with it because this one's for me. This is mine. So I just got my silver marker that we got from Resiners, and I just go around the edge and give it a nice, just to finish it off, just to give it that little, that zhuzh.
Give it a zhuzh.
Give it a zhuzh. And then I did exactly the same with the Gnome keyrings. I put the paint on exactly the same way. The only difference with these is on one of them, I've used black paint. So for all the little bits that I had left over, I just made up some of the worry stones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know what we haven't named them yet.
I have actually.
Have you?
Yes.
Okay. What have you named them?
I'm not telling you.
Oh, okay.
You'll have to find out.
So, yeah, I left this in just because
it's a really good color, really good way to see
them, and they are absolutely stunning.
Yeah, they are. So that's like a purpley blue, and I do like that one.
Violet
this is
Royal.
this is the Sapphire Storm.
Yeah,
which is really nice. I love it. They're stunning.
I mean, even just when we opened the pots, they were like, wow, it's
I lost my that's amethyst. I mean, look at that one. I mean, I love amethyst.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Now I like this one. I like this one. I think it's
Ocean Goddess.
Yeah, I think it's a really nice green. I don't normally do green,
but these are stunning.
Yeah,
yeah, they are. I do. I love them. You see where I've been rubbing it. Yeah, I do actually quite like rubbing them. They're quite.
Well, that's what they're for, isn't it?
Yeah, they are. But yeah, I quite. Mystic Malachite. I love that name. Never mind the colour. I love the name. But yeah, they are just beautiful colours. So if you feel like giving them a go, like I say, there is a discount code down below, and
it works on both.
It works on both the Australian store and the international store, and I honestly cannot recommend Just Resin pastes highly enough.
So we've had some pastes for years now.
So we started the resin in December, and I bought my first Just Resin in the beginning of the following January.
And I've still got that one. Still got that one. So they last. You only need a tiny bit.
And they last really well. Forever.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So, thank you to Just Resin for sending us these sparklers.
Absolutely.
Because they are stunning.
Yeah. Yes.
I shall be making lots more.
Indeed. And on that note, that's the glamour shots. So if you like our creative sort of chaos, please do feel free to hit that like button. Helps us out a load. And
while you're down there, why not give this subscribe a little rub as well?
And if you already have,
thank you very much.
And on that note, have a great couple of days.
Yeah.
And hopefully we'll see you in the next one.
Yep.
Take care. Bye.
Bye for now.